In the bustling urban environments of America, minimalist modern homes present a refined retreat from the chaos of city life. This architectural design focuses on clean lines, functional spaces, and an aesthetic that celebrates simplicity. The minimalist modern urban house design embodies the essence of less is more, emphasizing open layouts, ample natural light, and a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. The exterior of the minimalist modern urban house is a striking example of how simplicity can exude elegance. The facade is composed of smooth white stucco, accented by black-framed windows and natural wood elements, creating a balanced, modern aesthetic. The choice of materials reflects the minimalist philosophy: simple, clean, and timeless. The white stucco provides a crisp, clean surface that contrasts with the warmth of the wood cladding, creating visual interest without unnecessary ornamentation. The entryway of the house is understated yet elegant, embodying the minimalist design approach. A simple wooden door with sleek black hardware opens into a compact foyer, where the transition from the bustling city to the calm interior is immediately felt. The living and dining areas of the minimalist urban house are designed with simplicity and functionality in mind. These spaces are open and fluid, with no unnecessary walls or divisions, allowing for a natural flow of movement. The living room features a low-slung sectional sofa in neutral tones, positioned to face the large windows that flood the space with natural light. A minimalist coffee table made of polished wood adds a touch of warmth to the room, while a few carefully selected pieces of artwork on the walls provide subtle visual interest. The kitchen in this minimalist modern urban house is a perfect example of how design can be both beautiful and functional. Clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and high-quality materials define the space, which is as much a place for entertaining as it is for cooking. The bedrooms in the house are designed to be serene retreats from the busy urban environment, embodying the minimalist principle of less is more. Each bedroom is spacious yet uncluttered, with a focus on natural materials, neutral colors, and simple forms. The master bedroom, located on the upper floor, features floor-to-ceiling windows that provide abundant natural light and offer views of the city skyline. These windows are fitted with sheer curtains that allow light to filter in while maintaining privacy. The bathrooms in the minimalist modern urban house are designed with the same attention to detail and simplicity as the rest of the home. The master bathroom features a large walk-in shower with frameless glass doors, allowing for an open, airy feel. The walls and floors are clad in large format tiles with a soft matte finish, creating a sleek, seamless look. Despite being located in an urban environment, the minimalist modern urban house is designed to incorporate outdoor living spaces that provide a connection to nature. The house features several small outdoor areas, including a private backyard terrace and a rooftop deck, each designed to offer a quiet escape from the city's hustle and bustle. The rooftop deck, accessible from the upper floor, offers a more expansive outdoor living area with panoramic views of the city. This space is designed for both relaxation and entertainment, with enough room for outdoor seating, a small dining table, and potted plants. This minimalist, modern urban house in California stands as a striking example of how thoughtful design can transform a compact city lot into a luxurious, functional, and sustainable home. With its clean lines, open-plan living, and strong connection to the outdoors, the house embodies the core principles of minimalism while embracing the unique challenges and opportunities presented by urban living.